Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pal Pal Classes. This side Pallavi. So today I have brought something very new for you. That is an interesting thought came to my little cousin's mind that you should make videos on the apps that you're particularly using every day to improvise your English. So I would also refer you the same. There are some 10 apps that I have collected from the Google that I am also using. So I would refer you to please download these apps and do as much as practice as you can, and do like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end because its content is very helpful for you. So I would prefer you to please watch the video. So the first app I am telling you is the Hello English app, and the second one is Duolingo, third one is the Cambly, fourth one is the Cake, fifth one is the English Conversation Practice, and the fifth is English Score, sixth is Basic English for the Beginners and Mesmerize and Quiz Your English and Hello Talk. So these are the following 10 apps that I have collected from Google, which I am also using presently, and I would prefer you to download the links from the below. It is given in the description box. If you find anything difficult, you can please comment me in my comment box, and do like, share and subscribe to Pal Pal Classes. I will be back with more interesting videos for you. So please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.